Hey! Hello everybody! Welcome to today's video! Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial. Oh my god! Very nostalgic, I know. So as you probably know, I love eyeliner. I love eyeliner so much. I barely wear any eyeshadow anymore just because I love eyeliner so much. And I've already done like a couple of eyeliner tutorials in my day, but you keep requesting them. So today I'm going to show you 3 of my favorite eyeliner looks that you can do with hooded eyes. Because that is the type of eye that I have. And if you do not know what hooded eyes are, I feel like everybody already knows by now, but in case you do not know, it basically means that you got like skin hanging over your eyelids, which again is totally fine. It's totally fine if you have it, but it does make putting on eyeliner a little bit more difficult because like you got a crease over here, and if you close your eyes, put eyeliner on and then open your eyes again, a lot of the eyeliner is gonna like disappear in the crease and the shape of your eyeliner will be completely different. It is very annoying. I definitely do not like the fact that I have hooded eyes because it makes putting on makeup so much harder, but there are also like so many ways around it. Like you can just wear eyeliner. You just gotta apply it a little bit different than people with not hooded eyes, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna show you 3 different eyeliners that are very fun and cool and very easy. Yeah, let's just get started. First of all, I do actually have an in-depth tutorial on how to do eyeliner on hooded eyes, how to do like the cat eye eyeliner, which I will link right here or there. I don't know where the thing pops up. It's a very old video and you might have already seen it, but like the things I do in the video, I still do today. Like I've never changed my way of doing eyeliner. So yeah, if you want to have like an in-depth tutorial, check that one out. If you just want to see me fuck around, then you can stay here. For the eyeliner, I'm using the Huda Beauty Lifeliner Quick and Easy. These are my favorite type of eyeliner. Also, yeah, my hands are still stained. I dyed my hair like a couple days ago and my hands are... The dye doesn't want to go. Oopsie. But yeah, I use the Huda Beauty Lifeliner eyeliner. These are like... It's like an eyeliner pen with a very pointy tip. Like this. Actually... You can make like super sharp and thin lines with these, and I absolutely love that. And also I feel like I have way more control while using eyeliner like this than, for example, like a liquid eyeliner. I never use liquid liner, I just cannot deal with them. But you also like the water activated eyeliners. I think they're very nice too, like these. I mean, these are with color. Jeez. Because they come with like a tiny brush and it's very easy to use this as eyeliner too. However, I do find that like the water activated eyeliners, they don't really stay on your eyes for that long. Like they do kind of smudge after a while. But the Huda Beauty one, girl, it stays there until you take it off. I really like this one or the NYX Epic Ink Liner. Chef's keys. Chef's keys. Let me just get this off my hand. Let's zoom you guys in and let's go to the first eyeliner. Another tip that I have for you before I put the eyeliner on my eye is every time you do like your eyeliner, make sure you start with like your difficult eye. Because everybody has like one eye that for some reason like better at than the other eye. I don't know why, but that's just a thing. So if you're gonna start with like your more difficult eye, it's gonna be like way easier to match the eyeliners up to make them more symmetrical, because you can just like duplicate the eyeliner on the good eye, you know. It's gonna be easier for you to duplicate it on a good eye. If you know what I mean? You know what I mean? I don't know if I even know what I mean. First eyeliner is very simple, very effective. It's just a regular cat eye or a fox eye, as the kids like to call it these days. They have like another animal too, right? They're like, what was the other animal? Yeah, cat eye, fox eye, and then it's all just the same thing. It's all just the same thing. So what you gotta do is get your liner. In order to make the eyeliner work on your hooded eyes, you're gonna wanna make sure that you're looking straight ahead whenever you're doing the eyeliner. Don't look down, don't look up. Look straight ahead, just the way your eyes are gonna be most of the day, right? Also, whenever I'm doing my eyeliner, I like to do it a little bit upwards, but like not too much, and also not too like flat. I like to lift my eye just a little bit. Take your eyeliner, place it on the outer corner of your eye, and drag a line outwards. So yeah, as you can see, it's upwards, but not too high, also not too low. Perfect. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the outer corner of the eyeliner and I'm gonna drag a line inwards again to like, I would say like 1/3 of the eyeball. Oh, perfect. So now you get the outlines. And now we're just gonna fill it in. And we're gonna fill it in while my eyes are still open. So you got something like this. And now you can close your eyes and you can just fill some gaps in. You definitely do not want to fill this whole gap in, because that's the thing that you need for your hooded eyes. You just want to make it like, just clean it up a little bit, you know? Just clean the edges up a little bit. Like this. You can make it a little bit thicker if you want. So I feel like that's what oh fuck. I ruined it. Not me ruining the eyeliner of the eyeliner tutorial. And what I'm then gonna do is, also this is optional, but I just love the look of it. And I'm just gonna do the inner corner as well. So I'm gonna do a tiny, very thin line on like the inner third of my eye. And I'm gonna drag it a little bit down so that you get like a real like snatched eye. And you wanna make sure that you make like the thinnest line ever, because especially with like hooded eyes, if you make like a thick line across your eyelid, it's just gonna make your eyes look droopy, because the skin is just gonna fall over it, you know, your eyelid should not fall over it. We don't want that. We want it to be nice and snatched. So take my eyeliner, gonna go in the inner corner. I'm just gonna follow the shape of my eye and just drag it a little bit down. And then I'm just gonna connect it to like the lower part of my eye. So you have a tiny little triangle. So you get a wing over there and a wing in the inner corner. Oh my god, would you look at that? Okay, so let me just quickly do the other eye too. This is honestly the most difficult part. It's just like matching the sides up. I feel like overall I've become pretty good at like getting my eyeliner to be symmetrical, but still some days I literally have to start over. As you can see, I only put liner on like the outer third of my eyes and the inner third of my eyes. I generally speaking do not put any eyeliner on like the middle part of my eyes, just because if I do it this way, it kind of like makes my eyelids appear bigger, and I like that. It makes my eyelids appear bigger and also my eyes appear bigger. Like if I would line it all the way, my eyes would just look way smaller, and I just like the look of this. I mean, you can use it whatever you want, right? But that's just a little tip from me. On to the next eyeliner. This is the eyeliner I do if I wanted to look a little bit more fancy. I still want to be casual, but I also want to be fancy. And that is literally just drawing an extra line above the existing eyeliner. The things that I like to do with eyeliner, just because I have like not a lot of eyelid space, I like to draw on like this part under the brow, you know? Which technically is like still your eyelid, I think. But yeah, I just like to make like designs on here because there's no like overlapping skin. Makes it easier. The trick for doing this type of eyeliner is honestly, you just gotta do it, you know? I never draw dots or anything like that. I just go in and make a line and then just clean it up afterwards. Generally speaking, that is the best way to go. So let's go. I'm basically gonna follow the shape of the eyeliner I already have, but then just gonna do it on top. See how quickly I did that? Just do like one motion. And obviously it's not done yet, but now we can go in and like perfect it, you know, make it a little bit thicker, maybe change the shape a little bit. But yeah, the first time, just fucking go for it. Just send it. Just fucking send it. Okay, so let me just clean it up a little bit. Oh, would you look at that? Shit. Looks pretty nice. And then obviously what we're gonna do is we're gonna match it on the other side. We're gonna do it on the other side, Joe. Fuck. That went wrong. That went wrong. Did you see that? Oh my god, you guys are making me nervous. Normally I'm like very good at this. Let me just do it over. Told you I could do it. I was just pushing on the eyeliner a little too hard, so change the direction of it. Now again, gonna make it a little bit better. Okay, eyeliner look number 2. It's so easy. It's literally so easy. The only thing is that you just kind of need to like practice the movements, you know? Just gotta practice it, and then after a while you just get the hang of it. Like at first when I started doing eyeliner like this, it looked terrible. Okay, the shape was off. It was very asymmetrical. It just was a hot mess. But if you just do it like a couple of times, you'll get like the hang of it. And now if I'm not filming, I can do this whole look in like 5 minutes. I just do this. Pew, 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 pew. Very easy. So practice makes perfect. Or I mean, I guess it's not really perfect. Practice makes better. Okay, let's move on to the third and final eyeliner look. Okay, on to eyeliner number 3, the last one. And again, this one is super easy. They're all very easy, okay? And they're all like different variations on the same liner. It's kind of like a day to night eyeliner look, you know? So the last one is one of my favorites. I love it so much. Super easy, super simple, very effective. And it is to kind of turn it into like a tribal moment, okay? And the way we're gonna do that is by just connecting the 2 eyeliners. Take your liner, and then we're gonna make 2 like half circles, 2 little C's. Let me show you. Can you see that? Can you see that? Perfect. So we got these 2 shapes, and then I'm just gonna fill them in. Maybe make them a little bit thicker because it is like a very intense look, and this is kind of like out of proportion. But just like, okay, let's just work on it, right? Put it in. Isn't that the cutest thing ever? It's literally so simple, but it's like a completely different eyeliner right now. Okay, so let's do it on the other side. Oh, damn. Damn. Not the tribal eyeliner. Shit. This is like a very easy version, obviously. If you want, you can just add a bunch more shapes to it. Honestly, you can do it like in the inner corner. You can add some eyeliner under here. Like, it's very... You can be creative with it, which is something that I love about eyeliner. You can just create like any shape you want and turn it into a look. So that's nice. What I'm going to do now, I do like this vibe, but I just want to have a little bit more extra fun with it. So I'm gonna grab water activated eyeliner palette. Damn, forgot the name. I'm just gonna add a little bit of color to it. Okay, I mixed a bunch of the colors because recently I'm just really into color mixing. I don't know what it is. So I'm just taking the small brush that comes with it and I'm just gonna add a little bit of detail on my eyes, okay? Again, just a tiny little change makes a huge difference. Like, this is a completely different look again. I freaking love it. I fucking love it. So I'm just gonna quickly finish this look off camera and then I'll be right back. Ta-da! So yeah, this is the final look of all my eyeliner looks. I love it. It's so easy but so effective and I just love it so much. I love having crazy eyeliner. It makes me feel so much better about myself and about the world. So highly recommend doing it yourself too. Yeah, I really hope that I was able to help you a little bit. Honestly, the main thing about eyeliner is you just gotta practice. You literally just gotta practice. Because it's not that hard, but at the same time, it is extremely difficult. I still make a ton of mistakes. Like, I even did it in this video. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you're planning on doing any of the eyeliner looks that I did, please tag me online. Show me where you got, because I would love to see it. Yeah, I hope I helped you guys out a little bit with the eyeliner. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao, ciao. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao.